As workforces become more widely dispersed and IT managers oversee various devices on company networks, businesses need deployment tools that are simple and effective. Samsung Knox Mobile Enrollment, or KME for short, is a cloud-based service that can be used to register any Samsung smartphone or tablet with the company's existing mobile device management or enterprise mobility management solution. Let's learn more about the KME setup and its out-of-the-box experience for employees. This is the Samsung Knox portal. After creating a Samsung account for your organization, you'll be taken to this dashboard, from which you can access all your Samsung Knox cloud solutions. Let's take a look at Knox Mobile Enrollment. From your Samsung Knox portal, click the Launch button in the KME box. You'll then be taken to the KME portal. From here, you can see all the Samsung devices you've purchased from your authorized reseller and create automatic enrollment configurations. Specific MDM enrollment configurations can be found in the MDM Profiles section of your left sidebar. There's no limit to the MDM configurations you can support. Creating an MDM profile is incredibly easy. For new devices, and to support your MDM solution's latest technology, you'll choose Android Enterprise. This will ensure you're taking advantage of the newest mobile capabilities and features. You'll then enter the automatic enrollment information specific to your MDM solution. Please refer to your MDM Solutions Administrator Guide for exact instructions. Choose your MDM solution from the Pick Your MDM list. KME supports all major MDM solutions. For this demonstration, we'll choose Samsung Knox Manage. Once you've chosen your MDM solution from the list, the appropriate download location is auto-populated, allowing the agent to automatically download the MDM client. Some MDM providers will give you directions for filling out the MDM server URL field. Again, please refer to your MDM admin guide for specific instructions. On this page, you can enter more information for your enrollment profile. Some MDM solutions may require additional instructions in the JSON field. There are a few advanced features unique to Samsung KME. First, for organizations that have a public key infrastructure, or PKI, KME allows devices to have required certificates automatically installed at the time of enrollment. KME also allows you to create a QR code that can further automate the enrollment. You can enter the information that will allow you to enroll devices that weren't added by your reseller, or allow you to have devices connect to a corporate Wi-Fi network automatically. Once all the information is entered, just click Add. You can also choose whether system apps remain enabled or disabled during enrollment, allowing you to automatically block unwanted pre-installed applications. You can also enter your own acceptable use policy to cover usage of company-owned devices. Once you've filled out all the relevant information, click Create, and you'll be provided the QR code containing the enrollment instructions for the device. That's it. Now you can assign devices to your profile, or alternatively, use the QR code to enroll your devices automatically. Here we have a Galaxy Xcover Pro. In this demo, we'll replicate an enrollment scenario typical for an end user. There are various ways to do this, including manually, with the QR code, NFC, or Wi-Fi Direct. For this demo, we'll use the QR code. Right away, the Xcover Pro presents the user with the out-of-box setup screen and a Start button. Instead of tapping Start, the user will swipe right to left and top to bottom, making a cross shape. That will bring the user to a deployment screen with several options. We're going to choose to use the QR code that was created in our KME portal. We selected QR code deployment, which launches the device camera. We'll now scan the QR code. Please note that the Wi-Fi credentials we added to our QR code while creating the KME profile are configured on the device automatically. This is a good way to leverage a corporate Wi-Fi network to save data on cellular networks. In the background, the device will now automatically download the software and apps required by the MDM solution. The device will also receive any additional configuration information such as server names and solution-specific instructions. The user doesn't need to create a Google account or download anything manually. Once the MDM agent has finished downloading, the user will be navigated to continue the active enrollment. The device will now connect to the MDM server and begin its enrollment. While this is in progress, the user will be presented with some general information. Once this phase of the deployment is complete, the user will click Next. At this point, the MDM agent will launch automatically and guide you through any solution-specific steps. You're all set. The device now has been enrolled with a QR code, has had MDM client software downloaded, and has been completely enrolled in the MDM solution with advanced Knox security features. And all of this was accomplished with minimal user interaction. For end users, KME speeds up the process for getting started with their new smartphone. For IT managers, it ensures that devices start with a secure configuration from the first boot and that they're immediately linked to the enterprise's MDM or EMM. It's a win-win solution.